Kasamai Jedong Mikmat Banlong Kidekot Syakaying Darbar Ka Kasihil Autonomous District Council KCDC ke Banlong Haka Arpoi Trik Urempang Araja Absan Kalahajan Satang Shibnai Duna Mana Temri Boy Ki Kertong Kila Sedang Korek Bantap Kerteng Yelade Banya Aireng Hakane Kasamai Election Kabaka Voice of the People Party Kala Sei Barok Sangut Ki Kerteng Neki Santili Konsumensi Ki Bahap Hapo Jongka Kumbala Long Menta Ka VPP Kelalam Kemat Nengkok Bantap Kerteng Naka benta ki kertong jongka na ki santili ki konsuensi kata naka nongpo ba Matthew Makado naka umsning uba banrikos nongsteng naka jirang uba apkerman lingdo naka mawhati uba kenjo lang rangtong bat na umroy uba isnei hing kita ibarok sangut ki kertong jongka VPP kila pendap ya gajing bam smai halaki returning officer jongki hanongpo haka arpnaitrik kula lengkot arhajar arpsan Haba ai jingkren kulum lang la sebentar da uba Matthew Makado kertong ka nongpo ba uba isnei hing u kertong ka umroy kibala banjur ba kadon katong banwanra ya ka sensyar ka bakoi bat ka bapenkoi ya ka bamsap bampong
having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the 4th Muslim District Council constituency of the Legislative Council. Do swear in the name of the God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established and that
I, Shri Akkerman Lingdo, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the 1 Jirang District Council constituency, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Having been nominated as a candidate to fill seat in 5 Loy District Council constituency, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty.
Jingkerman hi ya kaban job way bangila mut ne khul angila ikon election naplen jingi boro sangut idan be jingkerman ne kaban job ya kathong kabin le ondangila poi sa jing job long be kai kaba di kwa ya jingtli kapaden MDC boro bangin pendep ya kai kathong kaba kaparti ka adep ya jing pular cek pai ba tanggatai
kumba layo layo snow nakaway pat kapor sakaway pat baka thong jongi kumka party BBP Voice of the People Party harangkat pat ki sangot pat ki katong jongka party ngiron kaway kathong bakata kalong baginong ra ikasensyar kopek kabakoy kabahop pat kabamsya siya kamat yano yano kathong ko jongi kalong ba Penengkong lada boy sa kathong kalong ba tinon rai kata sensyar harap koi pat unjuk ro ya ka inele kat pala pan khoj ya ka bamsap ka ni sensyar apo ketika jalap jor ka diskon seni